I'll explain everything to you as we go along, okay? We're going to walk back this way.
My anxiety is really...
You sure you don't need an ambulance?
No, my anxiety is really bad.
Okay, we're going to walk that way. This first car.
I just don't want my life. No.
It's okay. Listen.
My anxiety is... I know you guys work.
Look, can you...
On June 28, 2023, a deputy with Brown County Sheriff's Office witnessed a young lady on the side on the interstate panicking and in distress. Approaching the vehicle, the deputy could see the car struck an object. The disabled and scratched up vehicle has a messed up tire and is also leaking antifreeze.
Yeah, that's affirmative. Hi, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. My car's running out of gas.
Here. Come this way. Out of the road.
Out of the road?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try. My tire is
No.
really
I want... Come here.
Okay.
It's okay. In here, okay?
I'm really scared. I have never been this. I just called my dad. This is a loaner car.
What did you hit?
I didn't hit anything.
You hit something.
No, I did not. I did not hit anything. It's my first time hitting anything.
Right, but you just said you didn't hit anything.
I didn't hit anything. I didn't. It's my first time, like, ever, like, experiencing this stuff. It's leaking something.
Okay, come here. What's your name?
Mattie, my dad is calling me. Can I answer?
I'll talk to him.
Okay.
TJ, this is Deputy Nelson, Brown County Sheriff. Can you hear me? Okay, is your daughter Mattie? Okay, it looks like she hit something.
My anxiety
Okay,
is really
we're gonna be...
bad.
I'll have you stay off the highway. I'll give you a call when I can, but we're gonna be getting some stuff out up here, okay? Okay, yeah, she's uninjured, so everything's fine, but we got some stuff to talk about here, okay? Alright, from 43 north, so...
My anxiety.
Yeah, I would just kind of hang out in the area, just, like, again, stay off the highway, just
It's a loaner
kind of
car.
dangerous up here, okay? Alright, thank you much, bye-bye.
My anxiety is really bad.
Okay, Maddie, come here.
Huge.
Come here.
I did not hit anything.
Maddie, look at your car. You didn't hit anything?
I seriously didn't. I swear to God.
Okay, have you been drinking or doing drugs?
No, I have not.
Okay, are you sure? Because you seem a little overly excited for something like this.
I have a drink or two, but that's it. I swear to God.
Okay, so you had a drink or two.
A beer.
Go over there.
Pink beer.
How old are you, Maddie?
22 next month.
Right.
And I know
Can you go
I'm
stand over by this guy, please?
What's your name?
What's your name? Maddie.
I'm sorry. I just don't want to do why you guys.
Is that ID in your car?
No, it's in here. Anybody.
How long ago did you have something to drink?
It ruins my life.
Well,
It ruins my life.
slow down a little bit. We have some stuff to talk about before we get to that point.
No, it ruins my life. My brother just got that at DUI, and it ruins my life.
How long ago were you drinking, Maddie?
It's an hour.
Okay, just an hour ago?
Yes, at
It's
the can.
11.
At the sardine can. I
Sardine
just
can?
drank an hour. That's it.
How long? How many did you say? Think you said you had?
2.
2 beers?
No, 2 My anxiety is really high. It's not that I'm drunk. My anxiety gets really high. And hold on to somebody.
Go ahead and hold on my hand. Why are you breathing so heavy?
Because you guys are gonna arrest me and you guys are...
That doesn't mean anything yet. We need to
No.
talk.
No.
If you don't need an ambulance.
I just know what the bad consequences.
Okay, well.
No, I see some blood on your hand.
No,
Where are
it's
you bleeding from?
No, it's not that I'm bleeding. It's okay. You guys can check. It's just a little bit from the wheel. It's okay. I promise you.
It's just if you've got injury, we want to make sure that that's bandaged up. So it's. Do you know where you're bleeding from?
I want to get fine, guys. It's fine. It's just a little bit from there.
Okay.
It's just a little bit.
I just wanted to make sure that
I just don't want
you
to
weren't.
see why you guys. It's gonna ruin my life. It's gonna ruin my degree. It's gonna ruin everything.
What are you studying?
Zoology.
Zoology? Where are you doing that?
I I mean, I was planning on Florida.
You definitely.
This is a loaner car for my Uncle Eric.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna ruin my life.
Hey, so we're gonna need to tow this car. Where do you want it towed to?
I just don't want you guys to ruin my life.
Well, we're not going to do anything to ruin your life. We're going to do our jobs, okay?
I know.
Front driver's side.
So here's the deal. I need to make sure that you are safe to continue to drive, or that you are safe to be driving.
I am continuing driving.
Yep. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to ask if you'd be willing to participate in some field sobriety testing. Yeah? I don't want to do it on the highway though, okay? It's kind of dangerous up here.
That's fine.
So I'd like to take you down to a flat, safer area. Is that something you'd be willing to do for me?
My anxiety, yes.
Well, listen, I'll talk to you the whole time. I will get you through this process. But the fact that you're willing to do it is good.
Yes, I'm willing to do it.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and get in my car. We're then gonna drive, and we're gonna go to Vandervest. Sound good?
Madeline?
Yes.
Do you know what you hit?
I did not. I didn't hit anything.
Oh, like your tie rod broke? Or?
No. It just gave out.
Yeah, like the tire just.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, probably a tie rod.
It was a loaner. It was a loaner. My car is getting fixed. I will air it owns.
Ben, can you grab her info here?
I did not mean to.
It's okay. Hey, we're gonna go get in my car.
I just don't want my life to be
No, listen. The reason that I'm asking you to do these tests is to
I
make
mean,
sure
you
that
guys
you're
are
okay.
cops are doing your own
I know.
job, but
And depending on how those tests go,
I
that's
know
kind of
my-
how we go from there.
my
okay?
brother just went through this.
Okay.
And
Have you ever been put through field sobriety testing before?
no, I have not.
Okay. I'll explain everything to you as we go along, okay? We're going to walk back this way.
My anxiety is really
You sure you don't need an ambulance?
no. My anxiety is really bad.
Okay. We're going to walk that way. This first car.
I just don't
right
want my
behind
life. No.
It's okay. Listen.
My anxiety is. I know you guys work.
you. Look, can you just listen to me for a second? I'm asking you to do these tests. You are in no means obligated to do them. However, I have to make my determination based on what I've seen so far, rather than the test that I'm going to ask you to perform. So if you do the test, I have more information to go off of. Okay, is this something that you'd be willing to do?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to walk this way. We're going to get you off the highway, okay? That's okay.
No, we're not starting the test right now.
You got to walk regularly.
We're getting you off the
You're all
highway.
Okay. I was going straight for
I
it.
know.
I'm sorry, boys. I just don't want my life to end by
As deputies continue to try and get Mattie to relax and calm down from being terrified of the outcome of the situation, she is being transported to a safer area to perform the sobriety test.
I'm just really new.
I know. We're going to get you through this, okay? All right. Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. It's going to move left and right. Again, just keep your head straight as you can. Move only your eyes. You understand? Okay. Ready? Moving your head a little bit. Keep your head straight. Remember? Head straight. Head straight. Deep breaths. Remember, deep breaths. There you go.
I know what the result is.
Alright. So that's a test of your eyes, okay? We're going to move on to a walk and turn test, okay? So I'm going to give you some instructions. I just need you to listen to the instructions and do what I tell you to do, okay? Alright. Well, Mattie, like I said, these tests are voluntary, okay?
I did not hit anything. You
And that's
guys.
okay,
I did
but
not hit anybody.
whether you hit something or not, you're still driving the car, right?
I know.
Yep. So that's what these
It's
tests
just
are
my
here to do.
anxiety is
Yep.
what's
And
in
you're-
the most.
But you're doing good. For as bad as it is, you're doing really good.
My anxiety is really bad.
Want to continue the test?
Yes.
All right.
So I'll calm down for a minute.
Give you a few minutes, okay?
I'm just-
Take like 4 steps forward, okay? 2, 3, 4. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna need my handbag. Okay.
Please.
Because of her alcohol levels, Mattie struggles to balance herself during the field sobriety testing. A breathalyzer was finally administered, and the result concluded she was twice over the legal limit.
I just really bad anxiety.
So this is what your PBT says, okay?
Yeah.
Do you know what your legal
Okay,
limit is?
0.171, yeah. I know I'm drunk. I know you guys are drinking.
I know.
I'm not afraid of you guys.
Nope,
I
you're
just
doing good.
no.
Listen, I really appreciate everything that you've told us so far. You've been cooperative. Now, you're emotional, and I understand that. Your car's crashed. Your anxiety's gone.
I seriously don't know how it crashed. I did not crash. Why?
So here's the thing, okay?
The exclamation point with the has been on since I got the car.
Okay. See, and listen, again, I don't know. You hit the wall at some point, okay? That's where the damage came in the car. And then you kind of rode the wall, and then you ended up where you were, okay? You didn't hit anybody else, okay? You're not injured, right?
No, I'm not.
I think that's what you should come away with this as being important, okay? However, I need to tell you, just listen to me, okay? As of right now, you are under arrest for O.W.I, okay? Listen, this is your first offense, right? This is an ordinance citation through the Village of Poway, okay? Long story short, there's 2 ways that this goes. I either have to bring you to jail, or after we're done with the whole process that I have to go through, that I'm going to ask you more questions, I can release you to a responsible party, so you don't have to go to jail tonight, okay? It's an ordinance violation. This is not a criminal offense. This does not ruin your life. You understand? Does that make sense to you? Okay. I do have to put you in handcuffs. We're going to have to go to the hospital, but I have to ask you some questions before we do that. Okay? I want to make sure that you are completely aware of what's going to happen
I'm
next,
aware.
okay?
I'm aware.
All right.
Mattie was later taken to the hospital for a blood alcohol test and processing. She was later released to her dad, who arrived. Mattie was charged with O.W.I, her first offense. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe to be part of the Patrol Blue unit.